Go for it,
Tasty.
bro. Was that a hiccup?
Yep.
From Habanero.
And then bananas.
Shane? Are you going backwards?
Going backwards. Another one coming. Sorry. It's not bad, Hiccup stuff.
It's only the healthy kind.
It's not hives either.
When you bite it, the vinegar hits you first, then the habanero.
The hives, Habanero, yes.
So the more you eat it, the healthy it gets.
Yeah. Tough, yeah.
It's definitely done something to Shane because he's got the hickeys.
Bananas, you okay there? Gone quiet.
Yeah, that one good.
Took way too hard too quickly.
It's still hitting Shane.
Yeah, no, definitely. If that's so yeah, the ingredients also. There's a lot of things in there, spice-wise.
Mr. Hiccups? He's still going.
You need some cucumber there.
For some reason, it's giving me hiccups.
Yes, because you're out the game, that's why.